Multiplication. Julia and her mates went on a field trip to a nearby garden. They saw different types of plants. The roses were very beautiful. There were 4 rows of rose plants with 5 plants in each row. Let us find out how many rose plants were there in all. Number of rose plants is equal to 4 rows with 5 plants in each row. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equal to 20. It's an addition form. Another way to do this is 4 rows into 5 plants is equal to 20. This is in multiplication form. Repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. Answer of multiplication is called product. Later they saw sunflowers. Oh, the sunflowers are so pretty. Look at the arrangement of sunflower plants. There are 6 rows of sunflowers with 3 sunflowers in each row. Number of sunflower plants is equal to 6 rows with 3 plants in each row. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 18. Addition form. 6 rows into 3 plants is equal to 18. Multiplication form. Let us learn the properties of multiplication. Multiplication with 1. Julia and her mates went further. They saw an arrangement of lily plants. There were 5 rows with 1 plant in each row. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Marigold plants. There were 10 rows with 1 plant in each row. 10 into 1 is equal to 10. What did you observe with the lily and marigold arrangements? When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the same number. Order property. Let us look at the arrangement of the rose garden. We have 7 rows of 5 plants on one side and 5 rows of 7 plants on the other side. Which side has more plants? 7 into 5 is equal to 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Both sides have the same number of plants. This is called order property. 2 numbers can be multiplied in any order, but the product will remain the same. Multiplication with 0. Finally, they went to see the apple orchard. There, they saw 4 apple trees with 0 apples each. 4 into 0 is equal to 0. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Let us recall. The repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. Answer of multiplication is called product. 0 multiplied by any number gives 0. 1 multiplied by any number gives the same number. Two numbers can be multiplied in any order, but the product will remain the same.